value will be male. Let's look at the next one. So the next one, we are going to have label for female. Label for female. Then the input type. The input type is going to be the same radio. Then the name will be the same gender. Then the value is going to be female. Okay. Let us run this and see what we have in our browser. Okay. So you can see we have two radio buttons. So this is what is called the radio button. The circle. This one is called radio button. So assuming we want to check male, you just click inside male. When you click on female, the male will be what? Unchecked. So let's click on, you see. Let's go back to our code. And the name here, let's change it to male. And let's change this one to female and see what we are going to have. Good. So let me check this and check this. You can see that here the user can check, or he can take all the gender that you have specified there, which is wrong. At the end of the day, the user should be able to check only one. You can't be male and female at the same time. You can't be male and female at the same time. So that is why with the name attribute, for radio inputs, all the name attributes are one, depending on what you are doing. So here we are dealing with gender. So you can just put gender here and the same thing here, in order for the user to be able to select only one answer for you. So that is the main reason why we do that. Please, any question here, any misunderstanding, any confusion, let me know. Please, you understand?
Label female. Okay, well understood.
Yes, you understand.
You understand? Gilbert, you are not talking. No. Hello, Gilbert. Perry, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Steven. Majid.
Yes.
Ruth. Hello, guys. Are you there?
Ruth Yawata.
Ruth Wadawahu.
Sir.
Yeah, Santano Wada.
Robert.
Yes.
Please, a question. What
Okay.
the value there? What does it do?
This value.
Yeah.
Okay. For now, we can omit this value and so the form will work. But when you get to the server side, that is when you are sending the data to the back end, you have to bring the value, because the back end is going to take this. Please understand.
Not really.
Okay, let's remove the value here, and still it will be the same thing. It will work. There's no changes here. Please understand.
Yeah.
And I'm saying that for now, okay, if you say you don't understand, I'll get it. I will also understand why you don't understand, because the value will be used at the higher level, not here. Here, it doesn't matter. Instead then here, sir. But as time goes on, when you get to maybe the server side, that is where you have to specify the type of value that you are sending to the back end. Please do you understand?
Yeah.
Hey Perry, you are yes, you there. And what did him cry?
No, I want to know why this value is male and this value is female. Like the way the value, the meaning of that.
And I'm saying that
Yeah.
at the end of the day, when you fill any form and you press the enter key, or when you click on the submit button,
Yeah.
your data will be sent to a database.
Mm,
Are you following?
yeah, I'm listening.
Good. So that data, when you are using the radio button, the value, so the data will be picked from the value. That is all.
Okay. Okay, so it
Please,
means if you don't check
mhm,
any of them, it won't go if the value is not there.
meaning the database will be empty.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And depending on the validation, the kind of validation that they have at the back end. So there are some websites when you go and you don't fill the form, you just click on submit. Let's have a typical example here. Let me just go to GitHub. Eh, Assuming you just come to Git, even see. As for them, their validation very very strong. Even if you don't fill it, you can see that the button here is being disabled. Please understand.
Yeah.
Good. So let's start filling. Let me write Perry. Okay. Perry is not available. Hey, wow. So your name has been taken. Perry what?
Perry Glover.
Okay. Glover.
Glover.
ER. Okay. Your email. Okay, let me see if it is okay still. Your email. Let me
Perry
use
T
any
Glover.
email.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, validation. Very, very strong. Up to now.
I'm sure
Still.
the validation from the tick. Yeah. Oh, still now.
It's from here. It's from here. It's from here. They have this. So they are
Okay,
saying
so that's
pick
where
this. Mhm.
so that's where the value is.
No, I'm saying that the value when this one is being activated for you, when you click
Yeah.
on this create account, it will
Mm-hmm.
send all these values to the
Okay.
database for you. So these are the
Okay.
values.
Okay. Got it.
Please understand.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's move on. So after radio button, what's next? Assuming you have to select your not select, you have to check your nationality or something, maybe the country of origin. We can use the checkbox, or let's say checkbox, or let's say with the checkbox we have a list of items to buy from the market. We can use the checkbox, not radio button. For radio button you can just select one, but for checkbox you can select as many as you can. So that is the difference between a radio button and a checkbox. Okay, so with checkbox, let's look at a typical use case where we are going to apply that. So label, let's say um, items, items. So the same approach, input. This time around, the type will be checkbox. Mm, checkbox. Then the value will be what? Is it tomato? Let me save it and see what we have. Okay, so you can see items. We have what do we have here? So it should be tomato rather instead of items. It should be tomato this side. tomato. The next one will be, let's say, carrot. Carrot. The same thing. So checkbox. Value. Carrot. Another checkbox. Cabbage. Cabbage. The input type will be checkbox. Then the value will also be what? Checkbox. Okay. Let's break the tags and see. Where did we start from? Okay, let me go there and see what we have. Okay, so you can see with checkbox, you can select all the values here, but with radio button, you can select only one. So let me start selecting. So that is the main difference between a checkbox and a radio button. So when you are creating form in HTML, this is how we create form. These are the various inputs that you need. These are the various types of inputs. I think we are not done. We are not done yet. The next one is select. The next one is to select. Please, are we all together, or the class is boring, or the way you guys have kept quiet?
So we deep. We deep. We are just on
Sir,
time.
we do. Sir, we do.
That's because we are typing what you are doing. We are following.
You are following. You did G, eh?
We make steady. Yes, sir.
You make steady.
Eh,
Charlie, all is well. Don't worry. I think because it's your first day, that is why maybe some of you will see that me magic, but we ain't magic ain't magic.
Sir, I did wear bamias or more 2 weeks ago for pressure.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Adi I want.
see, I did I say, I think, to form gender, I mean, who that was I feel
Oh,
I'm
sorry. Gilbert says what you say, Anna.
what's that, Matthias? I'm
Inti
just
we
going
no.
to see Anna, my papa.
Let me just cut this for you. Don't hear anyway. I said this way. Don't hear any so share. Just this one line. One line pen. One line po. And just know that types now they change keke. On one no.
Okay.
Please do you understand?
Okay.
Yes, just one line. Don't memorize everything that we are doing here. Just know that for the data type, it will change according to what you are doing. That is all.
Okay. Thank you.
That's great. That's great.
Thank you, sir.
We are boys are steady there. Yen to us all. Okay, so let's look at the last type of inputs. Though we have date, time, and the rest, they all follow the same pattern. They all follow the same pattern. So let's look at how to
The value for the cabbage, you did a checkbox instead of cabbage.
Oh, that's great. Charlie, I'm correcting me now. I mean, so So carrots. Hey. That's a move. Okay. So it's supposed to be cabbage, eh? Thanks for the correction. Let's move on. What if you want to give the user some options to select from that options? For example, the same thing, you have list of countries. So that one normally it comes in the form of drop down, or it can move up or down depending on where it is. But normally it is drop down. That's what we normally use, drop down. So when we are filling, especially Google, when you go to Google and you are creating accounts there, they are going to ask you for your country, and they will bring all the countries in the world. Then you have to select where you are. Please, have you all seen that? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. So let's see how you can do that. How you can code that kind of what do you call it, function. Okay, so the same thing. So let's start with label as usual. So the label should be country, or countries. Let's use countries. So let's use select your country. That should be the label. Okay, so let's pay attention over here. So here, what you must know is the select tag, or in order for you to implement this, we have two main tags. Two main tags. The first tag is called the select tag, and the second tag is options. The options that you are going to give to the end user to select. That is all. So we have two main tags here. The first one is the select tag. The first one is the select tag. So with the select tag too, it has an attribute of name, and the value will be what you are doing. So we are listing countries. Countries. So you can just do this thing here. Like I said, there are two main tags. That is the select tag and the option tag. The select tag and the option tag. So let's see. Option. Option. So what will be the value of this? What will be the value of this? So the value, let's say Ghana. Then inside this, you specify Ghana here. Another option will be, let's say Togo. Then inside the tag, you bring Togo there. So in like you can do as many as you can. It's just one tag and you are repeating it. Mm?
Mr.
Uh,
Albert. Mr.
yes,
Albert.
yes.
So will you keep on writing option this if like you have like 50 countries, will you be doing that option name of country, option name of country?
That's very nice question. In the olden days, this is what we used to do. In the olden days, this is what we used to do, bro. As a web developer, it's not easy. You'll be doing this if the whole world we have about uh, for 100 or 200 countries. You are going to hard code all these countries in your HTML for the user to select. Yes, yes. But now the answer is no. For now, the answer is no. That is where we have the APIs. So this will be okay. So we have some libraries that you can use
Okay.
inside your HTML. This has been already done for you by some libraries. So all that you have to do is you have to call that library in your HTML. Because we are now starting, I don't want to bring some of these things here. I just want you guys to
Okay.
understand the tags. But the answer now is no. But in the olden days, it was yes. Please, do you understand?
Yes, please.
Okay. So the next one is Benin. Okay, we can end here. You can end it. So the rest you can continue as he's asking whether if you have 1,000 countries, you have to hard code all of them. For now, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Okay. So I think these are the basic tags that you guys should know under the input tag, under the input and the form tag. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next tag. Hey, I didn't introduce this. I didn't introduce the anchor tag to you. I've omitted the anchor tag. Okay, I think on the video bubblers. Let's let's look at the video and the audio tag. What if you want to please? I sent some link into the
This
group. I
thing is
hope
very
you guys.
necessary. It's very necessary. The videos is very necessary.
Yes, yes, yes. So we are going to do that right now. I sent some link into the group for you guys to download some audios and a video. I hope you all did that. Hello, guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I got it, man.
Okay, so I have my this is my video and this is my audio. I have two audios here and I have one video here. So let's see. So let's start with the audio. Audio. So let's comment here. Audio. So tag. Audio tag. So as I said, HTML is English. It's English. So the same thing that you do, you use the audio tag. We use the audio tag. So this is the first tag that we are going to introduce, the audio tag. Then we have a special attribute inside the audio tag, which is called controls. Controls. And what is the main function of the controls? Who can tell me? Yes,
It helps you to pause the video
controls.
moving forward.
Is that?
Mr. Albert, maybe it help you to pause, maybe to control the audio, maybe pause, yeah, play.
So Majid, remove the maybe. That is the answer.
Okay.
Yes, that's the answer. So it controls the main audio for you. That is the volume, play, pause, move forward, those kind of things. That's the main use. So like I said, HTML is English. We have audio for audio, control for control. Okay. Then inside the audio tag, we have another tag called the source. The source. The source tag. The source tag. And as the name sound, that's the main function. So we are just looking for where our audio is located. And the source has an attribute of source again, which is just src. Like how we loaded the image tag. Where is it? Like this one, src. Please don't write scr again. Oh, yes. Okay, so where is our audio? Where is the audio? Hey, media a while. Okay, so let me just bring the it will locate it for me. So please rename your own so that it will be short for you. This is the name of my audio. This is the name of my audio. Then the next attribute is the type of audio. The type of audio. So you just write type, which will be what? The audio slash. My own is .wav. If your own is .mp3, write .mp3 here. So mine is WAV. So let's see what we have in our browser. Please, can you hear the sound? Can you all hear the sound?
No,
You can't hear
No,
the
no,
sound.
please.
no, sir.
Oh, by me, I can hear it here, or I'm just playing it here alone. Okay, so okay, you to do your own and play it. Do your own and play it. So let me go over this thing again. Let me go over this thing again. we want to load audio on our website. How do we do that? We need two main tags. That is the audio tag and where the image, the audio is located. That is the source tag. Are we on the same page?
Yeah.
Good. So just introduce your audio. Then inside the audio, I said it has a special attribute, which is called what? Control, no control, controls. Controls. Then inside the audio tag, we have to specify the source. So source. And I said this source tag has a source attribute, SRC. Then from here, you know what you are supposed to do. All that you have to do is you have to locate where your file is. So this is my file. This is my file. So I have a shortcut that I can just load it because the name is too lengthy. I can't type everything. So I just do this and select this. After that, I remove my backslash. If you do this and it works for you, fine. If it doesn't work, I have a plugin that I've stored inside my code editor that is helping me to locate everything. The next thing is to specify the type of audio. The type of audio. So type. The type, which we all know is what? Audio. Then slash the extension of your audio. If you are using MP3, you just use MP3 here. If you are using what extension again do you have apart from MP3 and this wave? Do you guys know any extension?
MP4.
MP4. MP4. What again? Okay, so I'm using dot, but you guys understand. So let's move on. Dot WAV. That is all what I have to do here. Then I'll go back. I can play my sound nicely here. Okay. So let me get back to you guys. Perry, have you done it?
Yeah.
Perry, is your own working?
Yeah, it's working.
Good, good. David, is your own working now?
Yes.
That's great. Gilbert, is your own working?
Sir, please, I'm not by my machine now. I'm on this one, so I'm here to try it.
Joseph,
Hello, sir.
is your own working?
So I came in late, so I'm just observing now. I'll try it when I watch the previous video.
Okay. Okay. Stephen, is your own working now?
Yes, please.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So we are making progress. That's great. I'm very happy for that. Okay. So let's move on to the next one, which most of you are waiting for. That is the video. Please, the video is the same as the audio, the same format. So who can just tell us how we are going to achieve that? Someone should just look at how the audio is and just tell us. Or if you want to share your screen, I will allow you to do that. Who is ready?
Sir, please, you would just have to introduce the video tag.
Amate, okay, so let me stop my screen. Whilst Majid is talking, Amate, you share your screen.
No, I'm not sharing. I'm asking a question.
Okay, Amate.
With the audio side, what if you want to introduce something like download audio something?
the download format and those kind of things.
Yeah.
Yes, we even have auto, something like auto play. Auto play.
Okay.
I'm coming. So immediately you bring autoplay. When someone loads the website straight, you are going to the what do you call it? The audio will start playing for you. Do you get me?
Yeah.
But for download, one, the image should be on the server before you can download. Okay.
Okay.
So when you get to hosting and the rest, please just put this question down. I'll show you how to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, we have so many attributes here. You have so many attributes here. Apart from autoplay, we have what again? Let me see. We have a couple of attributes here. Mute, yeah, mute or something. Autoplay, muted. Yeah, let me use the muted and see. Okay, guys, see, is it right now? My audio is being muted. Can you all see that? Great. So that's it. These are some of the things that you can do. All right. So I asked about the video. Who has been able to do that? That's a short exercise or quiz for you. Who can do that for me? Who is ready to share the guys? Should I mention names? Disconnecting. Gilbert,
Yes, sir.
can you share your screen and do it for us? Or
Sir, please, sir. In less than 5 minutes, I'll be home. Then I will start everything. Then I can share.
is that?
Sir, please, all this I've been following the lesson. I'm on my way home.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And when I get home, I'll
Okay. Please, who is ready? Or I should do it and we should move on. Oh, this is a short quiz. Oh. Short quiz. Yes.
Oh, okay, you let me say it. Let me say it verbally.
Okay, Majid, say it. Whilst I code it.
Okay, you can the video tag.
So wait, video tag. Please wait.
Yes, please.
Mm-hmm.
So on one line you can write control.
Controls.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe choose how you want it to be, like just like the way you've done it over there, autoplay or other stuffs. And then you come to the source.
Mm-hmm.
When you come to the source, that one too, you write where exactly like you are bringing
so you say it. Let me write. So source.
A tag of source.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, please. Then you write your source SRS.
It's SRC.
Sorry, SRC.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and then input your your source name SRC.
Okay.
And then with a type.
Mm-hmm.
So
mm-hmm.
Over here, yours says into your video the MOV _ BBMP4.
Yes.
So write it.
Okay, let me do it. So video / MP4. Let's see if it will work. Okay, so that's great. Majid, correct
Yes,
for that's great. So I downloaded this video from, let me specify the source, otherwise when it goes out and people see me, they might hold me copyright and those kind of things. So I downloaded the video from this source in case it goes out and somebody sees it. Those people don't want your papa. Hey, the select. I didn't show you the select. This is the select. Oh. Select your country.
Okay.
This is it. I hope you have done it. Okay, so let me play the video again. That's great. So everything works. Okay. Are we down with the tags? The last tag, which was supposed to be in the middle or somewhere early, is the link tag. The link tag. The link tag. How do you link? For example, let's visit my Joy Online again. So we have homepage, election headquarters, news, entertainment, business, and the rest. So how do you move from one page to another? Or let me see if there is some embedded tags here. There is no embedded tag here. So all these are links. They are all links. When you click on Joy Prime, let me click on that. You see, it even opens a new tab. Then it's going to open this page for you, Joy Prime. When I click on this link, visit site, it will open another thing for us. How do you do this on your web page? How do you do this? How do you do this? So let's see. It's very, 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 very simple. Just one line of code. So let's go there. I didn't. Let me break this thing and comment here. This is what video tag. Video. The video tag. All right. So the next one will be the link tag. The link tag. The link tag. Okay. So the name of the link tag, we don't say link tag, we say anchor tag. That's the name, anchor tag. We say anchor tag. So whenever you hear anchor tag in HTML, then we are referring to links. That is linking between two pages or the same page or from one website to another website. And this is how you do it. It's just just a, the tag is a, just a, like this. Please, are you following?
Yes,
Just
sir.
a. For example, we want to go to, when you click on it, we want to go to my Joy, and I mean, you see what to do. Let me use different one. Let's say Google. We want to go to Google. So this will be the name. Let me save this and see what we have. So you can see Google here, but this one doesn't look like a link. See, if you want to put the cursor on it, it doesn't look like link. As for link, let's go to my Joy Online. See, look at how the cursor is showing. Have you seen how it is showing? This shows
Yeah.
that it's link, meaning you can click on it. Let's see our own. When you put on it, it's like a text. This is not a link. This is a text. So how do you make this one as a link? Okay, so after introducing your a tag, which is the anchor tag, what is the next thing? You have to introduce this attribute. It has some attributes inside. So the first one, or the common one that you always see, is the href. Href, the href attribute. And where do you want to go? When you click on this link, where do you want to go? That's the question. So that's the main function of the href. So let me go and copy google.com. Let me copy this link. Control S. I just copied it. And let's go to here and paste the link over here. So take note. Let me bring another break tag so that it will be clear for you guys. Okay, please, have you seen this? So this is how we always insert link into our website. This is the tag, which is A. Then it has an attribute of href. Inside the attribute, you specify where you want the user to go when he or she clicks on the name. So our own, the name is Google. So let's go to our um, website and check it. Okay, so we have Google here. Right now, when I click on it, you move away. So let me do it and see. Please, have you seen how it works? Guys,
Yes.
Yes, sir. So we've seen it.
I hope this is very, very simple.
Yeah, very, very simple.
Good. What if I want it to open a new tab? I don't want it to open the same tab. When I click on the link, I want it to open a new tab, like my Joy Online. You saw that. You saw that. Where is it, Clara? Is it Joy Prime or something, something? Where is it? I think there's, see, this functionality. How are you going to achieve this? You see, my Joy Online is here. And when you click it, it's open a new tab here. How are you going to achieve this? How do you achieve this? Okay. So then want to, you specify, or you embed an attribute here, which is called target. 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 Then the target, what will be the value of the target? The target, we are targeting a blank page or a new page. A new page or a new tab. That's what we are targeting. So inside the target, your value should be underscore blank. Underscore blank. So this is how we do that. Let's go and check if it works. So let's go to Code Boot. Do you still see my screen?
Yeah.
Good. So let me click on Google now. Everything is working. This is our website. And when you click on it, it will open another one for you. Let me do it again. Okay. Any question here?
No, sir.
Yeah. David, do you get it?
But, sir, Mr. Robert,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Robert,
Yes.
Mr. Robert.
Yeah,
Yes,
Majid, I'm
this one
listening.
there, right after the lesson, you would. Yeah, I said this one there, right after the lesson, you would have to send us the video so that those of us who couldn't do it will start doing it.
Okay. The main reason is whenever we finish, Zoom will take time to compile it for us, to convert it, because you see, we have spent about 2 hours now, and the video will be about in gigs, so it will trim it down into megabytes for you. That's why sometimes it keeps. So let's
Okay.
say after the class, you guys should give me about 30 to 40 minutes for it to be done. I will send it via email to you guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please, guys, are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have ended the HTML. So HTML is full
That's
of
all for
tags.
HTML.
Yes, we are done with HTML.
Oh, okay.
We are done with HTML. Okay, so
Oh, that's nice.
I've sent you the slides that we are using via email. You guys, as Gilbert suggested in the group today, that I should give you the slides and everything that will enable you guys to prepare ahead of the class. So I've sent you the slides. You see, as for my slides there, I don't put much in because I do more of the talking and the practical here. So I'm going to give you another resource. All of you should please go and sign up to Code Academy. Code Academy. Just visit this link. I'm going to send it right now to you guys. All of you should go and create an account there. Where is the chat? Let me send the link to you guys. And start practicing anything that we have done here. Just practice it. Please, have you received the link?
Yes.
Yes, so this is the link. Check in the chat. Just copy it before we end the Zoom. Okay, so go there and create account and start practicing anything. So everything that we are learning, you can find the practical aspects here. Whilst you are doing what we did, you can also practice anything that we want here. Very, very nice website. Code Academy is very, very nice website. Okay, so please, we are done with HTML now. The next time that we meet, which will be on Monday, God willing. I don't know if you guys will be available tomorrow, like we can add tomorrow, or I should give you enough time to be able to revise on this.
Sir, tomorrow too won't be bad though.
Tomorrow
please,
won't
you
be
give
bad.
us time so that we can revise on this.
Okay, Gilbert, what about you?
Sir, I mean tomorrow is very fine.
Let's decide that in the group.
What he said is true. Tomorrow is fine. Tomorrow.
Yeah,
Let's
because
decide
the
that
way
in the
you're
group.
saying that, that's why you have to study is child. So, like, if you get any available time, can we take use of it before the 4 weeks end? Otherwise, and if you start using that, then the time will be up and then we wouldn't have covered much.
Yes.
That's my suggestion.
Except tomorrow will be okay. Because from Monday to Friday, there, we won't have that time.
Monday to Friday, I will not use your days. I'll just use the evening, like 7 to 9, like this. Today, right now, we have ended the class. We are just making suggestions. So Monday class, it will be 7.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Class has classes, online classes on the weekday.
David, you said?
I said, for me, I have online classes weekdays. The same time that you
the same time,
Yeah.
So Monday you will not be available for this,
No.
Okay,
Except
David,
you have to.
so okay, David, you know what you can do?
No, sir.
All those, okay, we are going to see the time that will be best for all of us. But if only you are not able to make it, I will see what I can do about it for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So guys, we are done for.
Please, I have a question.
Yes, you can ask
it. Please, maybe you want to create a site that will contain only videos, like videos. How will you do that one?
Okay, so you are just, so the tag for the video tag right now, you know, right?
Yeah.
Good. So you are just going to use this video tag. You are just going to use this video tag. Then the next thing is how you are going to lay out the website to be very, very nice and attractive. So in the HTML, you'll be using video tag and some of these special tags. That is all that you'll be using for the HTML. Then you write plenty CSS to lay out your website. That's what I can tell you now.
No, I mean, if the website, maybe you are creating a website for videos, like a site that when you visit, you'll find videos, like different kind of videos.
Yes. Yes.
Like
so something like this, right?
Yes.
But not just this video, plenty of them.
Yeah.
So for your question, forget about everything here, and calm down. So meaning we are going to use the video tag as many as you can, depending on the number of videos that you have. Then the next thing is you have to make it look nice on the website. So that is the CSS part. We will move to CSS.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so for the HTML,
Okay.
you are sorted. Just the video tag that you need.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Ajit. Please, is that all? So can we end the class?
Yeah, please. I just want to ask: is it possible for us to send you questions, like personal questions, that we can solve?
Personal questions. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So someone even asked me some visual basic questions today. I just gave him guidelines. If you ask me and it is within my domain that I can help, I'll do. If not, I'll just give you a guideline too. Don't worry. You can
Okay.
bring it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hey, so
You're welcome.
sir,
Yes.
so for how long have you been doing this?
So, Majid, if you ask me, Robert, I started coding around 2016. So let's say about 5 years now. And
Like
I didn't get any direction, like a mentor. Mm. That is the main reason why I'm doing this for you guys. At least I'll just give you the overview, the directions for you guys. Even if I'll not spoon feed you, like hold your hands and code, I'm going to give you the direction, the resources, in order for you guys to move fast. That is my main focus for now. So if
oh,
you are
okay.
serious, I know within 1 year, 6 months or 1 year time, you should be pro at certain level. You get me?
All right, sir.
Good. So that's it. I started coding and
Thank you
writing
very much.
that system.
Uh,
Okay. So this personal
Yeah, so
stuff.
your
So
main
let's
specialty is web development.
yes, that's my main specialty. I do web development most. If
Oh,
when it comes to mobile application, I can guide you, learn this, do this, do this. I give you the resources, then you master.
okay,
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So I met her from
A better frame one.
but that's the part I actually wanted.
Okay, go with Mate. Mate. I am first kaka kranson ka ho, Mate.
Oh, sir.